It is September 17th, 2017, and we are in Akron, Ohio at milepost 42 on the Cuyahoga Valley Scenic Railroad. Approaching us is Nickel Plate Road number 765, a Class S2 Berkshire. Now let's watch as a GoPro Hero 4 captures the underside of this beautiful locomotive. As the last of this train cruises into the Akron station, we thank you for watching AD Productions, and we hope you can survive the rest of this winter and look forward to the summertime. We thank you for watching and happy rail fanning and train chasing. To see more shots like this of Nickel Plate Road 765, make sure to purchase our DVD based solely on this locomotive. This DVD is available at our table at the Erie, Pennsylvania Railroadiana and Model Train Show. This show is held at Rainbow Gardens at the Waldemere Park in Erie, Pennsylvania on the first Sunday of March and the first Sunday of November.